Laurel Didier, and I'm the publisher of Closets and Organized Storage. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the audience for Closets and Organized Storage magazine. This year we embarked on a readership study, and the results were a resounding yes, we like the magazine, and yes, we're engaged. Our readers are decision makers with more than 80% either influencing or making the final decision for purchases of supplies or equipment. Our readers read the magazine. On average, they read 3 out of 4 issues, with 2/3 reading 4 out of 4. They give us a resounding 4+ out of a scale of 5 as to whether they would recommend the publication to a colleague. As a matter of fact, they pass along their copies to at least one colleague. They read the ads. They respond to the ads. They either go to the website, they email you, they actually purchase the products as well as go to your website. They also read the articles. They send the articles over to a colleague, or they file them for future reference, or they go to the Closets and Organized Storage website. They pass along their copies of the magazine at least to one other colleague. So every time you run an ad in Closets and Organized Storage, you're getting 2 for 1. They also attend the Cabinets and Closets Expo and Conference, and that's the #1 trade show that they go to. So between the Closets and Organized Storage magazine and the event, it's sometimes the only way you can reach this important audience. So I ask you today to take time to go through our 2019 Market Access Guide, contact your market managers to learn more about the opportunities for reaching this highly engaged audience, and ask them for a copy of the 2018 readership study. I appreciate you taking time to spend with me today, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.